Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to allow people to see your active status on Messenger. This feature lets your friends know when you're online and available to chat, making communication smoother and more interactive. Whether you prefer to stay connected or have some privacy, we'll show you the steps to manage your active status effectively. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Messenger app on your Android device. It's simple. Just find the app icon and tap to launch it. Next, look for the menu icon, which consists of 3 horizontal lines located at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on that icon, and you'll see your options unfold. Once you're in the menu, keep an eye out for the gear icon. This is your gateway to settings. Tap on it to continue. Now, you'll want to navigate to privacy and safety. This is where you can make adjustments related to your online presence. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Active Status. This section allows you to customize who can see when you are online. Finally, turn on the feature labeled Show When You're Active. Once activated, your friends will be able to see when you are available, enhancing your Messenger experience. That's it. By following these simple steps, you're on your way to improving your connectivity on Messenger. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.